I've been really interested in the industry since I was young. Once I saw that FIT had sustainability in the mission statement, I decided that this was the right decision for me. That's how I got into the ethics and sustainability minor here. So me and 3 other students worked together and we submitted an application for the Clinton Global Initiative University, and it was accepted. And then we're able to work with the New York Department of Sanitation to bring the composting bins to campus. I ended up being able to work for a startup that connects sustainability and brings in a fashion element, and I'm coordinating the BioFashion Tech Summit. I'm getting to do right now what I came to FIT to do.
I was fortunate enough to get an internship at FIT's Infor DTech Lab. I did a comparative analysis of 3D fashion software. Browseware is a 3D fashion design software, and it's sustainable because it helps eliminate the samples from the garment production cycle. You don't even have to use actual fabric or actual materials to create it. You can create it in the software and then show it to a lot of buyers. Because of the internship, PVH recruited me to be there as a 3D materials librarian.
You don't necessarily think of biotechnology and bioengineering and biomaterials when you think of FIT, but it turns out a student who is in fashion design can really use something that is a cutting edge aspect in biomaterials for their design. Through the college's partnership with GenSpace, a community-based biology lab has allowed us to create opportunities that really give them access to resources that we don't have here at FIT for them.
Scientists tend to look at materials from the molecule up. Designers kind of have a different approach from the top down. Algena came together originally as a team of students and faculty at FIT. In the context of the first International Biodesign Challenge, we were looking to address the environmental and ethical impacts of the fashion industry with a rapidly replenishing organism that could produce an economically viable yarn. After the challenge, we kind of reformed, and after making that progress, have recently closed an over $2 million funding round of investment.
We create over 14 million tons of garment waste every year in the United States. So I began circling around one question. Is there a way to break this waste down, convert it into new fiber? We discovered that it is possible. The way our technology works is we take cotton garment waste, we purify it, and we convert it into a pulp. We can then extrude this pulp into a pristine new fiber made entirely of garment waste. Hopefully we'll be at retail next year and then scaling globally by 2020.
Our first product, Wayband, is a wearable haptic navigation device for the blind and visually impaired. He reached out to us and he was like, if you can have this technology ready by November, I'll run a New York City Marathon with it. We did a 6-month sprint. And on November 5th, 2017, Simon ran the first 15 miles of the New York City Marathon without any sighted assistance. It's a different feeling when you go to work every day and the thing that you do actually help the needle of humanity in some way move forward.
So this is the new FIT. We're technologically savvy, we're innovative, and our students, faculty, and alumni are bursting with groundbreaking ideas. We're providing solutions for the fashion and the creative industries because we believe our industry should lead the way forward technologically, ethically, and socially. And that's why we invest in unconventional minds.